Burdock root benefits in cancer. Did you know burdock root, Arctium lapa, is a traditional herbal remedy with a long history of use in folk medicine, particularly for detoxification and immune support? Modern research has explored its potential anti-cancer properties. While more human clinical trials are needed, early studies and anecdotal evidence suggest the following potential benefits of burdock root in cancer prevention and support. Antioxidant protection. Burdock root contains powerful antioxidants such as quercetin, luteolin, and phenolic acids. These help neutralize free radicals that can damage cells and contribute to cancer development. 2. Anti-cancer compounds arctogenin, a lignin found in burdock root, has shown anti-tumor effects in lab studies. It may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells, especially in lung, liver, and breast cancers. Supports detoxification. Burdock root is traditionally used to cleanse the blood and liver, which can be beneficial in removing carcinogens from the body, supporting liver function during cancer treatment. 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to cancer progression. Burdock root may reduce inflammation by inhibiting pro-inflammatory cytokines, supporting a balanced immune response. 5. Immune system support. Some studies suggest burdock may enhance immune activity, helping the body recognize and destroy abnormal or cancerous cells. 6. Potential to inhibit metastasis. Early lab research has indicated burdock extracts may interfere with cancer cell invasion and migration, potentially slowing metastasis. Important notes: burdock root is not a cure for cancer. Always consult a healthcare provider before using it, especially during chemotherapy or radiation. It may interact with medications or cause allergic reactions in sensitive individuals.